11 best foods for fatty liver. Hello everyone and welcome to this video about the 11 best foods for fatty liver. Today I'm going to be discussing how changing your diet can help you reduce fatty liver and the best foods to include in your diet to help your liver stay healthy. Fatty liver disease is a condition in which fat accumulates in the liver, causing inflammation and scarring. It's estimated that about a quarter of all adults in the United States have some degree of fatty liver disease. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including drinking too much alcohol, being overweight, and having diabetes. It's important to maintain a healthy diet and lifestyle to help manage fatty liver disease. So, let's dive into the 11 best foods for fatty liver. Nuts. Consuming a small amount of nuts can be a great way to get a nutritious snack with healthy fats. Not only does it benefits cardiovascular health, but it may also help reduce the risk of liver disease. Out of all the varieties of nuts, walnuts are particularly beneficial in terms of reducing fatty liver disease. This is because they contain a higher amount of antioxidants and fatty acids such as omega-6, omega-3 fatty acids, as well as polyphenol antioxidants. Next we have in the list is tamarind. Eating fruits is believed to be a great way to fight fatty liver. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, and antioxidants, all of which can have a positive effect on health. Specifically, tamarind has been found to be especially effective in this regard due to this abundance of unsaturated fatty acid and fiber, which can help with digestion and the removal of excess fat in your liver. Olive oil. It has been reported that regular consumption of olive oil over a long period of time can help lower the risk of liver and cardiovascular diseases. Studies have shown that olive oil can help reduce the liver enzymes that lead to liver disease and reduce LDL, low-density lipoprotein cholesterols, and triglycerides in the blood. It is important to note that olive oil is high in calories, so it is important to practice portion control. You can incorporate olive oil into your diet by using it to dress your salads, sauteing vegetables, or roasting root vegetables in the oven with a teaspoon of oil. Additionally, olive oil can add bulk and make meals more filling, helping to reduce overall calorie intake. Lemon. Lemons are packed with vitamins and antioxidants, thus making them a great choice for helping to combat fatty liver. Although it is commonly suggested to drink lemon juice to improve liver health, medical professionals advise that it is not a cure to treatment, despite the potential benefits of the antioxidants. Nevertheless, having a glass of lemonade in moderation as part of healthy diet can be beneficial overall. So, if desired, you can still enjoy in this manner. Avocados. Avocados are packed with a range of essential nutrients such as dietary fiber, healthy fats, vitamin C, vitamin E, B6, potassium, magnesium, and folate. Eating avocados on the regular basis can help you boost the overall quality of your diet. It must be noted that avocados are particularly rich in oleic acid, which is a type of monounsaturated fatty acid that has multiple benefits, including lowering cholesterol levels. Additionally, the dietary fiber content of avocados help keep you feeling fuller for longer, which in turn can help regulate your blood sugar levels. Legumes. Legumes are an excellent food choice in the fight against fatty liver. Low in calories, they help maintain a healthy weight and reduce cholesterol levels, both of which are risk factors for fatty liver. When preparing legumes, it is best to avoid using too much of fine salt, but coarse salt can be used in moderation. Additionally, you can add spices to improve their flavor. It is important to remember to not overindulge when consuming legumes. Fatty fish. Everybody loves fatty fish. In order to prevent illness such as fatty liver, the Oregon State University in the USA concluded that consuming oily fish 3 times a week together with fruits and vegetables is beneficial. This is because DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid found in oily fish, helps to protect the liver from fat buildup. Furthermore, eating fatty fish can enhance the health of your heart and enhance wellness. Strawberries are an excellent food choice for those looking to combat fatty liver as they are rich in vitamin C and other nutrients and can be incorporated into a balanced diet with other fruits. They are easy to eat as they have a great taste and can be eaten raw with yogurt or used to make smoothies, breads, salads, and more. Coffee. Research has revealed a positive correlation between drinking coffee and protecting the liver. It is advised to consume at least 2 cups of coffee per day, although some studies suggest 3. If the initial injury to the liver is fibrosis, it has been observed that coffee intake can slow its progression. Moreover, it has been found to reduce the risk of advantages of liver damage such as cirrhosis and cancer in patients with cirrhosis. Spinach. It is essential to incorporate greeny leaf vegetables in your diet, particularly spinach. The fiber content in these vegetables is excellent for aiding digestion, and folic acid helps regulate the functioning of the liver and kidneys. If you don't particularly enjoy spinach, blending it up into a smoothie is an easy way to get the full nutritional benefits. However, consume spinach smoothie just once or twice a week. And now the last food that we are going to see in the 11 best foods for fatty liver is carbohydrates. But just avoid carbohydrates. When you have been confirmed with fatty liver, it is best to avoid foods that are high in simple carbohydrates. This does not mean that carbohydrates should be avoided entirely. They are necessary to maintain energy levels and keep up with everyday activities. Whole grains are a great source of fiber and can help reduce fat. Incorporating these types of foods into your diet can help prevent sugar